Welcome back everyone guys. Most welcome to my live studio. Most welcome. So I am your Richard. Keep talking Gache. I hope all fine. Thanks for coming to channel live. Most welcome everyone. So that's on the screen. Today we will discuss about our topic Cat Live for Cat Hoodler at Drop on Cat Ohio. We will discuss about. Thanks for coming. Most welcome everyone. आने वाले तमाम members का welcome to my live studio. Most welcome. Welcome guys. Welcome. आज के हमारे लाइव स्टूडियो के साथ करने के लिए आप तमाम दोस्तों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मैं हूँ आपका एजेंट कीप टॉकिंग अच्छे। सो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि तमाम दोस्त खैरियत से होंगे। सो गाइस आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है किट लाइव प्रोजेक्ट हुडलर एयरड्रॉप बोनस टास्क के हवाले से है। सो एवरीवन गाइस ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग। मोस्ट वेलकम एवरीवन। आप देख सकते हैं आपके सामने लाइव स्ट्रीम पर मौजूद है किट विल लॉन्च सून स्पोर्ट ट्रेडिंग एंड स्टार्ट हुडलर एयरड्रॉप। वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट आवर टुडे project overview launch pool. Thank you my dear all of my friends. I'm very thankful to you. So हम बात कर रहे हैं आज के हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जिसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। आपको हम दोस्तों गाइस फॉलो करते रहें, हमारे स्टूडियो के साथ लाइव बने रहें। इंशाल्लाह ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करते रहेंगे आपको हम दोस्तों से। आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स का वेलकम टू माय लाइव स्टूडियो। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स। मोस्ट वेलकम एवरीवन। सो हम बात करते हैं आज के हमारे टॉपिक की जानिब। Thank you all of my friends who are watching to channel live. Thank you all of my friends. Most welcome. So Kate will launch soon sport trading and start Hoodler airdrop. That on the screen. We will discuss about that or to the top. हम बात करेंगे आज के हमारे टॉपिक की जानिब के टाइप प्रोजेक्ट हुडलर एयरड्रॉप के हवाले से। राजेश मोस्ट वेलकम टू माय लाइव स्टूडियो। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग टू चैनल लाइव। साथ साथ गिफ्ट लगाते रहेंगे बस गाइस। जो हमारे स्टूडियो के साथ लाइव बन रहे हैं लाइक कमेंट फॉलो शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहें। आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स का वेलकम टू माय लाइव स्टूडियो। मोस्ट वेलकम। Thank you everyone guys. Most welcome. Thank you so much for coming to channel live. So Kate will launch soon for the first time and open the Hoodler airdrop for a limited time. Users holding one chitty can participate in the airdrop for free and share 1,66,667 Soon tokens. Hodler airdrop only supports chitty holding users. After the Soon airdrop, the user's participation funds will not be deducted. Welcome guys, everyone most welcome to my live studio. Thank you so much, my dear. Most welcome. So airdrop details Hodler chat on the screen. Thank you so much everyone guys, most welcome. So that's today our topic Soon in progress. We'll discuss about that. So guys follow my channel, like, comment, share and get reward. Everyone guys, most welcome. So मज़ीद बात करते हैं airdrop end time 3 May 23 2025 UTC +8. Total airdrop 1,66,667 Soon unlock. Method 100% unlock trading. Start 7 May 23 2025 UTC +8. Online trading pair Soon by USDT. We will discuss today our topic that on the screen. Thank you so much everyone guys, most welcome. Participation requires identity verification. GT holdings less than equal to 1 GT can share the total price pool according to the proportion of GT holding snapshots. The upper limit for each user to participate in this event is 5,000 GT. How to receive the airdrop? Log into your Crypto.io account, complete identity verification, enter launch pool, select Hodler airdrop, hold no less than 1 GT, click go to participate. Hodler airdrop FAQs. Thank you so much everyone guys, most welcome for watching to join my live. I'm very thankful to you for coming to join my live. Introduction to Soon. So introduction to Soon. Soon has three main products. Soon Stack in the first SVM roll-up stack that brings Solana to all ecosystems. There are currently 5 Soon chains. InterSoon is a message transmission protocol that allows seamless communication between Soon chains and major ecosystem. Simp4Third is the ultimate copy trading platform that allows users to copy trade the best traders in the world. Token English full name Soon, token Chinese full name N by A token, symbol Soon, total token amount 1,000,000,000,000 that on the screen. Alright guys, that's it. Token type sold by BSC, contract address that on the website. Everyone guys, that's it. Thank you my dear all of my friends for watching to join my live. So token allocation ratio and unlocking rules. Soon Nest 5%, TGE 100%, Soon 8%, 3-month linear unlock. Soon Squares 8% 6 months lockup linear unlock within 12 months. Soon Pile 8% 12 months lockup linear unlock within 36 months. Community rewards for future products 10%. I'm very thankful to you, my dear, all of my friends who are watching to join me on live. Thank you guys, thank you all of my friends, very thankful to you. नेक्स्ट मजीद बात करते हैं. 12 months lockup linear unlock within 36 months. Community rewards for future products 10%. Tag 20% 36 months linear unlock. Sooner airdrops to soon scared holders 12%. Tag 17% unlock linear over 12 months ecosystem. 25% tag 5% unlock linearly over 48 months airdrop and liquidity 8%. Tag 5% unlocked linearly over 12 months funds and treasury 6%. Locked up over 12 months unlocked linearly over 36 months team and treasury builders 10%. Locked up over 12 months unlocked linear over 36 months project website that on the screen everyone guys that see. One website and one other. Two websites that on the screen. GitLab's investment announcement. GitLab did not participate in the investment in Soon. Precautions. Point 1. GT Gate token is the only platform currency of the Gate trading platform and is also the native asset of the Gate chain public chain. Main network hold GT and get free airdrop immediately. That on the website. Everyone guys, that's it. Thank you so much guys, everyone most welcome who joining me on live and follow my channel, like, comment, share, most welcome everyone. Welcome guys, welcome. Thank you my dear for coming, most welcome everyone for coming to join my live. Thank you so much. Everyone guys, like, comment, share, most welcome everyone. आने वाले तमाम न्यू मेंबर्स का वेलकम टू माय लाइव स्टूडियो. आज हमारा लाइव स्टूडियो के साथ बनने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. सो पॉइंट नंबर 2 की बात करते हैं. पार्टिसिपेटिंग यूजर्स मस्ट फर्स्ट कंप्लीट आइडेंटिटी और ऑथेंटिकेशन टू इंश्योर द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ योर अकाउंट एंड एसेट्स. Please abide by the relevant activity rules when participating. Any cheating is prohibited. Any cheating will result in disqualification from winning the prize. In the event of any discrepancy between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. Kate reserves right of the final interpretations of this event. जो हमारे स्टूडियो के साथ लाइव बन रहे हैं, एवरीवन गाइस मोस्ट वेलकम. दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स हु कम सपोर्ट मी. दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। और जिस किस्म का भी आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना हो कमेंट ज़रूर करें, इंशाल्लाह आपको उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ज़रूर शेयर किया जाएगा। मोस्ट वेलकम एवरीवन। सो नेक्स्ट मज़ीद बात करते हैं पॉइंट नंबर 6। यूज़र्स इन द यूनाइटेड किंगडम एंड अदर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड रीजन्स आर नॉट अबाइड to use all or part of the services, including participation in this event, game or competition. Please read the user agreement for detailed information about restricted regions. Risk warning. The Hodler Airdrop project is a blockchain startup project and is related clearly early stage. There are many great risks in the project's operations, underlying technology and legal and regulatory involvement. Understanding blockchain startups and assessing their inherent risks requires advanced technical and financial knowledge. Affected by technology, law and regulations, market and other factors, the price of the project you participate in may fluctuate dramatically and the price may drop in increase significantly. Cryptocurrencies projects are high risk. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. Point number 5. The project owner has not set a margin and does not provide any price commitment or price break guarantee. Please participate only when you fully understand the risk and can bear them. The platform strongly reminds you of the risk, but cannot assume any responsibility such as guarantee compensation of investment behavior. Thanks so much everyone guys, most welcome. I'm right thankful to you my dear for watching the channel. So Kate team May 20, 2025. Kate team duration time that on the scheme May 20, 2025. So CryptoKit is a secure, fast and easy way to trade over 3,900 cryptocurrencies. Register now to receive up to 10,000 USDT in welcome bonus. Invite others to register and receive 40% commission. Follow the official channels, visit Kit official website, download Kit app, follow X Twitter on PC to get the latest benefits. Join the Telegram group to discuss hot topics. Join the global community to get the latest information. Transparency, guaranteed view 100% reserve proof. So that's information about that. Kit will launch soon, sport trading and start Hodler Airdrop. नेक्स्ट मज़ीद बात करते हैं। सो गाइस फॉलो करते रहें हमारे चैनल को, जो हमारे चैनल के साथ लाइव ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू माय डियर ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स वाचिंग टू जॉइन माय लाइव। Welcome guys, most welcome everyone, thank you so much. IMF7, you're most welcome, thank you for coming to join our live. So that's on the screen about today our topic, Soon project. Total airdrop amounts 1,66,667 soon. Number of participants 5,111. Each GT 0.0522 soon. Individual participation limit 5,000 GT. Increase GT. With the personal participation limit, the more GT you have, the more airdrops you will get. Project introduction. Soon has three main products. Soon Stack in the first SVM rollup stack that brings Solana to all ecosystems. There are currently 5 Soon Chains Interzone is a message transmission protocol that allows seamless communication between zone and chains and major ecosystems. Simp4.fun is the ultimate copy trading platform that allows users to copy trade the best traders in the world. So project sponsor Joanna Zing, that on the screen. Co-founder and CEO Roanna Zing has been in the cryptocurrency space since 2017 and has led partnerships at Coinbase. Optimism and Alio co-founder and CTO Andrew So is a former founder of Polkadot and Zig. Polkadot and Zig has 5 years of Rust and 6 years of Golang development experience and is highly respected in L1 by L2 development. Thank you, Crypto King Rajesh. Welcome back to my live studio. Thank you for coming to join my live. Most welcome. So next में बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट फीचर्स की. Soon bring Solana to every corner through the most powerful SVM rollup technology stack, Stack, and the copy trading platform Simp4.fun. Token economics, governance, Soon ecosystems, native assets, incentive for builders and ecosystem development stacking. Technical overview. Technical overview की बात करते हैं. So we are the first to develop decoupled SVM for Soon Stack, removing the consensus layer from the SVM execution layer, resulting in better performance and native for proof on EVM. For fun, we are integrating it with top live streaming platforms such as Twitch for seamless Web 2 UX. Rajesh, welcome back. Thank you for coming. Most welcome. So token circulation की बात करें अगर हम, token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. Soon Nest 5%, Tag 100%, Sooner 8%, linear unlock in 3 months. Keep talking, Rajesh. Thank you, sir. I'm right grateful to you for coming to join me online. Most welcome everyone, guys. Most welcome. Thank you, my dear, who watching to join me live. I'm right grateful to you. Most welcome. फॉलो लाजमी करें गाइस, जो हमारे स्टूडियो के साथ लाइव बन रहे हैं. एवरीवन गाइस, मोस्ट वेलकम. आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स का वेलकम टू माय लाइव स्टूडियो. नेक्स्ट म्यूजिक बात करते हैं. सोन पिल 8% लॉक इन 12 months, linear unlock within 36 months. एवरीवन गाइस, लाइक कमेंट शेयर. मोस्ट वेलकम एवरीवन. Community rewards for future products, 10% tag, 20% linear unlock within 36 months. Airdrop to Sooner and Soon Squad holders, 12% tag, 17% linear unlock within 12 months. Ecosystems 25% tag, 5% linear unlock within 48 months. Welcome guys, most welcome. Thank you so much everyone, most welcome to my live studio for coming to join my live. So that's information. Today our topic नेक्स्ट आपसे बात करेंगे फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन दैट ऑन द स्क्रीन. First question: how to participate in the Hitler airdrops? Which accounts GT positions will be calculated? We'll discuss every question answer with you that on the screen. So risk warning की बात करें तो currently trading market may experience drastic fluctuations due to technical, legal and regulatory factors. Please carefully understand the project details and fully research to market before participating. In addition, Kate cannot guarantee that the currency will be 100% listed on this exchange. The specific listing situation will depend on many factors and the final listing announcement will prevail. By participating in the project, you agree to our collection agreement. Thank you, my dear of my friends. So चलते हैं frequently asked question के बारे में. How to participate in the Hitler airdrop? So आपकी मालूमात के लिए हम बताते हैं कि frequently asked question में Hitler airdrop में कैसे participate कर सकते हैं. So as long as you hold GT less than equal to 1 in your Gate accounts, you can participate and receive the airdrop without locking or stacking GT. Okay guys, I hope all friends understood. अगर आप तमाम लोगों के Gate अकाउंट पे 1 GT होल्ड होगा तो ही आप Hitler airdrop में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. ओके गाइस. Thank you so much guys, most welcome. So next मज़ीद बात करते हैं. Next question: which account GT positions will be calculated? कौन से accounts में GT token की position calculated की जाती है? So answer is the GT of all the users accounts in Kate, including unified accounts, spot accounts, isolated merchant accounts, documentary accounts, robot accounts, financial accounts and payment accounts, but excluding mortgage loans and GT2. How are the airdrop received by individual calculated? When you participate in the event, the system will record your GT holdings from the beginning of the project, take random snapshots several times every hour and calculate the hourly average. The final profit depends on your average holding during the entire event. If your average holdings are less than 1 GT, you will not receive rewards. The number of tokens the user finally receives, average hourly holdings of the user during the entire event, average hourly holdings of all participating users during the entire event, total airdrop amounts. Thank you, Kate Chinch. Thank you so much for coming to try me, and thank you for send red packet. I'm very thankful to you, my dear. मोस्ट वेलकम एवरीवन। सो नेक्स्ट मजीद बात करते हैं व्हाट इज एच जी टी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज एच जी टी। एच जी टी क्या होता है? सो इसके बारे में बात करते हैं। एच जी टी इज एन एस्टिमेट इफ यू यूज वन जी टी टू ज्वाइन द होटल एयरटॉप प्रोजेक्ट एंड कीप इट until the end of the project. You can get approximately how many airdrop tokens. Note that each GT will change due to the total amount of airdrops and the change in the GT holdings of all participating users and will be updated every hour. Thank you guys, thank you everyone. Most welcome. Thank you so much my dear all of my friends. I am very thankful to you for coming. Most welcome. That's information about each GT. Next question is why are my holdings accounted differently in each project? Why are my holdings counted differently in each project? So answer is the system uses random snapshots to calculate your hourly average holdings. The calculated hourly average holdings may be different depending on the time you participate in the project. In theory, if your holding size remains unchanged, the average hourly holdings will be the same for all projects you participate in. Thank you guys, thank you everyone. I'm very thankful to you my dear all of my friends who are watching to channel live. So next question is what is the upper limit for individual participation? Different projects have different individual participation limits which you can view on the detail page or in the event announcement. Thank you all of my friends. I am very thankful to you for coming to channel live. So next question is can I work on more than one project at the time? Can I work on more than one project at a time? क्या हम एक ही वक्त में और काम भी कर सकते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के साथ? Sniper PM, welcome to my live studio. Thank you my dear for coming to channel live. Kate user, you're most welcome. Everyone guys, Subal Khair Al Chamai, Sniper PM. So next question, can I work on more than one projects at a time? You can work on multiple projects at the same time. How are airdrop distributed? How are airdrop distributed? So answer is the airdrop will be calculated and distributed within T plus 1 day after the project ends. Thank you my dear all of my friends who are watching to channel live. Everyone guys, like, comment, share and that reward. Sniper BM, Subal Khair Al Chamai, good morning to my dear. Thank you for coming to join me on live. Thank you guys, thank you, most welcome. So that's information today our topic soon project overview launch goal. Next we will discuss about that on the screen. So guys, like, comment, share करते रहें और हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहें. नेक्स्ट हम बात करने लगे हैं आपसे पर एयरड्रॉप के हवाले से और मज़ीद बात करेंगे. गाइस लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें, फॉलो करते रहें हमारे चैनल को. एवरीवन गाइस मोस्ट वेलकम, welcome everyone. Thank you so much everyone. Most welcome to my live studio. Thank you so much for coming to channel live. Thank you my dear for watching to channel live. लाजमी करें और रिवॉर्ड हासिल करते रहें। आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स का वेलकम टू माई लाइव स्टूडियो। सो गाइस, ये थी हमारी आज के बारे में। नेक्स्ट मज़ीद बात करते हैं ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के बारे में। सो पहले गाइस, छोटे हमारे स्टूडियो के साथ लाइक करने हुए हैं, लाइक कमेंट शेयर ज़रूर करते रहें और हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहें। आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स का वेलकम टू माई लाइव स्टूडियो। वेलकम गाइस, मोस्ट वेलकम। सो नेक्स्ट मज़ीद बात करते हैं हुकर एयर टॉप के बारे में। Thank you everyone for coming. Most welcome. Thank you so much, all of my friends. I am very thankful to you, my dear. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया तमाम दोस्तों का। तो हम बात कर रहे हैं हुकर एयर टॉप के हवाले से। सो हाउ टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द हुकर एयर टॉप, FAQ के बारे में बात करते हैं। एज लॉन्ग एज योर GT होल्डिंग्स इन गेट अकाउंट इज नो लेस दैन 1, you can participate and receive airdrop without locking or stacking GT. Which account GT holdings will be included in the calculation? Total GT holdings in the unified accounts, spot accounts, isolated margin accounts, copy trading accounts, boards accounts, financial accounts, and payment accounts. However, GT in crypto loan and GT2 are excluded. Thank you so much everyone guys. Most welcome. Thank you for coming. Most welcome everyone to my live studio. So next question, how is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holdings, taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holdings. Your final reward is being on your average holding during the event project period. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Final token received equal to your average hourly holdings by all participants' average hourly holdings. Thank you guys. Thank you so much everyone. Most welcome. Welcome guys. Welcome. Thank you for coming to join me on live. I'm very thankful to you, my dear, all of my friends who are watching to join my live. So next question is, what is per GT? Per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the Hutter airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holdings of all participating and is updated hourly. Why are my holdings counted differently across projects? So answer is the system uses random snapshots to calculate your average hourly holdings. Depending on when you join each project, the calculated average holdings may vary in theory. If your holding amount remains constant, your average hourly holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. What is the individual participation cap? Next question is. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the detail page or the event announcement for more information. So next question is, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? Answer is, can participate in multiple projects at the same time. How will the airdrop rewards be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within T plus 1 days after the project ends. You can check it anytime in the Launchpool Hoodcloud airdrop participation history. So that's information about Hoodcloud airdrop. Thank you so much all of my friends. I am very thankful to you. Okay guys, so next में बात करेंगे आपसे गेट लॉन्च पुल FAQ के बारे में. What is get live launch pull? What is get launch pull? सो नेक्स्ट हम मज़ीद बात कर रहे हैं व्हाट इज़ गेट लॉन्च पोल. आपके सामने लाइव स्क्रीन पर मौजूद है जिसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. आता हूँ दूसरे से कंग्रेचुलेशन. वेलकम बैक टू माई लाइव स्टूडियो. थैंक यू माई डियर फॉर कमिंग टू जॉइन मी ऑन लाइव. सो आप देख सकते हैं व्हाट इज़ गेट लॉन्च पोल. Get Launchpool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Thank you my dear all of my friends. I am very thankful to you. Most welcome. So how can I participate in Get.io launch pool? First log in to your Get.io accounts and navigate to the Get launch pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and start your assets. Thank you so much my dear. Thank you all of my friends. आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स का वेलकम, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मोस्ट। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच। बात कर रहे हैं हाउ कैन आई पार्टिसिपेट इन किड लॉन्च पूल के बारे में। So check the participation guide. Which coins can I stack in Cat Launch Pool? The token eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Cat Launch Pool to view more details. Next question, how many tokens will be rewarded? Hourly stacking reward equal to individual latest 1 hour valid stacking amount by total pool stacking amount. Hourly reward pool. The will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and take the average stacking amounts as the valid stacking amount. Thank you, my dear all of my friends. I am very thankful to you for coming to join my live. Most welcome. So next question is, how are the rewards distributed? The will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts hourly, and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earnings will be distributed into users' support accounts. When will the stacked assets be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance on the stacking is completed, the stacked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stacked assets will be redeemed into support assets. If the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of Simple Earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to support assets. If Simple Earn does not support the claim of the redeemed tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to support assets. Next point number 7, can I redeem my stacked assets at any time? They will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of accrued rewards. Please maintain stable stacking amounts to ensure mining rewards. In addition, each stacking pool imposes a daily redemption limit. Individual users can only withdraw up to 3 times a day per pool. Please plan your redemptions carefully to maximize your rewards and avoid any potential impact on your earnings. Can I add additional stacked assets? You can increase your stacked assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking rewards. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? Where there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, You can stack in different pools to be received new token mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain the rewards from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. Thank you all of my tier. I am very thankful to you for coming to channel live. So next question, what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, the further stacking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcements of the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Will stacking assets in the kit launch pool impact my VIP level? No assets stacked in the kit launch pool will be included in the assets holdings calculations for startup free airdrops, pre-order prime and VIP privileges. तो जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है, विल स्टैकिंग एसेट्स इन द kit launch pool impact my VIP level? In case of early ending, your stack principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest rate will be distributed on the hour after the event end time. So guys, next मज़ीद बात करते हैं अबाउट सिंगल कॉइन मल्टी माइनिंग. About single coin multi mining that on the screen. Single coin multi-mining is a newly launched stacking feature of kit launch pool that allows users to hold the same assets and receive multiple new tokens rewards across different stacking pools. This feature enables users to manage their assets more efficiently and flexibly, enjoy for more earning opportunities, and achieve diversity and maximization of rewards. The launch pool no Sports, GT and ETH single coin multi-mining. How to join single coin multi-mining? Participation must separately select and click stack to join the stacking pool for sports single coin multi-mining to earn rewards from multiple stacking pools. They will take multiple snapshots of participation, GT and GT2 holdings or ETH and ETH2 every hour and take the average as the effective holding amount and distribute rewards based on that effective holding amount. How many token rewards can I earn? Hourly reward equal to users GT holding amount by total users GT holdings in the pool x hourly reward for the pool. So next question, can I retain my assets you can unstack in my stacking? Crypto King Rajesh, welcome back to my live studio. So next question, there is no single coin multi-mining pool on my Gate app. Why? Please make sure you have updated your Gate app to the latest version 6.33.0 or higher, or you can visit Gate to join. Everyone guys, join my live studio, like, comment, follow and get reward. So next question, how many single coin multi-mining pools can I participate in at most? Users can participate in all ongoing single coin multi-mining pools at the same time. Thank you everyone. About annual percentage APR. When the reward coin is the stacked coin, APR equal to total rewards released in the last hour by last hour's total stack. Cost multiply 365, cost multiply 24, cost multiply 100%. So when the reward coin is not the stacked coin, APR equal to total rewards released in the last hour x closing price of the rewards coin of the last hour by last hour's total stack x closing price of the stacking coin of the last hour. Cross multiply 365, 24, cross multiply 100%. Single coin multi-mining APR equal to total rewards released in the last hour cross multiply closing price of the rewards coin of the last hour by last hour's total average holding of the stacked coin x closing price of stacked coin of the last hour. Cost multiply 365, cost multiply 24, cost multiply 100%. The APR is an estimate and for reference only. The actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is upwardly. That's information about what is launch pool. What is Gate launch pool? Everyone guys, follow my channel, like, comment and get reward. Most welcome. Welcome everyone. Thank you my dear for coming. Most welcome. Welcome guys. Crypto 77 Bangladesh, welcome back to my live studio. Everyone guys, most welcome. Lily, most welcome. Everyone join my live studio and get reward. Thank you everyone, most welcome. Welcome everyone, thank you. वेलकम ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स। सो नेक्स्ट मजीद बात करेंगे आप तमाम दोस्तों से हम हुडलर एयरड्रॉप के बारे में। व्हाट इज़ हुडलर एयरड्रॉप एंड हाउ कैन आई पार्टिसिपेट इन हुडलर एयरड्रॉप। सो हम बात कर रहे हैं आप तमाम दोस्तों से व्हाट इज़ हुडलर एयरड्रॉप के बारे में। इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे आप तमाम दोस्तों से। गाइस लाइक कमेंट फॉलो लाजमी करते रहें हमारे लाइव स्टूडियो को और बने रहें, रिवॉर्ड हासिल करते रहें। एवरीवन गाइस मोस्ट वेलकम। So about Huddler Airdrop, what is the Huddler Airdrop? Huddler Airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT Get token holders. Users only need to hold a set amount of GT to share airdrop tokens based on the holdings proportion. Next question, what are the requirements to participate in the Huddler airdrop? Participation must complete identity verification and hold at least one GT. What is the GT holding participation limit? The GT holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project's airdrop announcements. So next question, how are airdrop tokens distributed? थैंक यू एवरीवन गाइस। आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स का वेलकम टू माय लाइव स्टूडियो। फॉलो लाजमी करें और रिवॉर्ड हासिल करते रहें। मोस्ट वेलकम एवरीवन। फॉलो लाजमी करें गाइस, जो हमारे स्टूडियो के साथ लाइक बन रहे हैं जल्दी से अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करते रहें। सो बात कर रहे हैं हाउ आर airdrop token distributed. We will take a snapshot of your account GT holdings at the same type of participation, and at the end of the airdrop tokens will be distributed based on your GT holdings proportion of the total snapshot amounts. The larger the holdings, the more airdrops token you receive. IMF, welcome back to my live studio. So how are airdrop tokens distributed? We will take a snapshot of your duty holding at the time of the proportion at the end of the airdrop. Token received equal to mint GT assets airdrop participation GT assets at airdrop and by total GT assets of all project participants x total airdrop amount rounded to the nearest whole number. Can I participate in multiple holder airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project's snapshot time and meet the participation requirements, you can participate in multiple holder airdrops. So next question, will I definitely receive tokens if I participate? Users holding at least one GT can 100% receive the airdrop, provided they maintain at least one GT at the snapshot time. Thank you my dear all of my friends for watching to channel live. So rewards will be calculated and distributed within T plus 1 day after the project ends. You can check your participation history in launch pool or player airdrop. What should I do if I have not received my airdrop tokens? If you did not receive airdrop tokens, please first check if you meet the participation criteria and confirm your GT holdings at the snapshot time. If the issues persist, please contact customer support. Thank you my dear all of my friends. That's today our topic information. I hope all friends understood and get very interesting information about that. ओके गाइस, इसके साथ ही नेक्स्ट मजीद बात करते हैं बिटसी टोकन, ETH और GT टोकन के हवाले से कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन भी शेयर करते हैं आप तमाम दोस्तों से। सो हम बात करने लगे हैं फर्स्ट आप तमाम दोस्तों से दैट ऑन द स्क्रीन अबाउट बिटसी USDT, जिसको हम बिटकॉइन भी कहते हैं। सो आप देख सकते हैं गाइस, आपके सामने लाइव स्क्रीन पर मौजूद है अबाउट बिटसी USDT के बारे में, जिसकी मौजूदा कीमत 1,05,300 समथिंग USDT है डेट ऑन द स्क्रीन। अगर हम बात करते हैं इसके चेन परसेंट की, तो आप देख सकते हैं गाइस +358.6 इंटू +0.34%। 24 आवर हाई प्राइस की बात करें कीमत की, तो 1,06,853.8 USDT है। 24 आवर 24 घंटे लो कीमत की बात करें तो 1,04,184.0 USDT है। थैंक यू माय डियर ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग टू जॉइन माय लाइव। सो 24 घंटे वॉल्यूम बिट्स की बात करें तो 5.40K USDT। कीप टॉकिंग राजेश, वेलकम बैक टू माय लाइव स्टूडियो। थैंक यू माय डियर फॉर कमिंग टू जॉइन माय लाइव। 24 आवर टर्नओवर USDT की बात करें तो 569.5 million USDT. That's information about BitC USDT. Thank you all of my friends for watching to join me on live. That's information about BitC USDT जिसको हम बिटकॉइन कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट में बात करते हैं BitC USDT के चार्ट्स के बारे में जो कि आपके सामने लाइव स्क्रीन पर मौजूद है, आप देख सकते हैं गाइस. Thank you so much all of my friends for watching to join me on live. So that's information about BitC USDT charts. Thank you my dear. Thank you so much all of my friends. So that's information on the screen about BitC charts. सो गाइस ये थी हमारे BitC टोकन के चार्ट के बारे में. नेक्स्ट मजीद बनते हैं और नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे इसी तरह GT USDT के बारे में. सो आपके सामने लाइव स्क्रीन पर मौजूद है अबाउट GT USDT. इस टाइम गाइस देख सकते हैं GT USDT की जो कि मौजूदा कीमत 21.380 USDT है जो कि आपके सामने लाइव स्क्रीन पर मौजूद है. और अगर हम बात करते हैं इसके चेंज परसेंट की -0.027 इंटू -0.13% है. सो मज़ीद बात करते हैं GT USDT के 24 घंटे हाई कीमत की, तो 21.696 USDT है Welcome everyone, most welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Most welcome to my live studio. लाइक कमेंट शेयर अपने दोस्तों को शेयर ज़रूर करते रहें और कमेंट करते रहें, हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहें, आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स का वेलकम। सो GT USDT की अगर हम बात करें 24 घंटे वॉल्यूम की 152.98 के बिलियन USDT 1.98 के USDT है। 24 आवर टर्नओवर USDT की बात करें तो 3.28 मिलियन USDT है। Thank you so much all of my friends. thank you so much, my dear, all of my friends who joining me online. सो ये थी हमारी आज के टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स हमारे स्टूडियो के साथ लाइव करने के लिए। तमाम दोस्तों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, मोस्ट वेलकम। ये था हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट लाइव फ्रॉम क्रिप्टो का लॉन्चफुल एंड एम पी पर लैपटॉप एंड क्लेम अप टू 50 USDT रिवॉर्ड्स। थैंक यू माय डियर ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स।
WhatsApp मुझे कॉल दिए पता नहीं चलती मैसेज देने की नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ थी अब तो कॉल कराए
थैंक यू माय डियर ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू आज के हमारे स्टूडियो के साथ हमारे चैनल को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। आप तमाम दोस्तों का दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर दैट। Thank you all of my friends for coming to joining me live. I'm very thankful to you. Most welcome, everyone. So next मज़ीद बात कर रहे हैं about ETH USDT dot on the screen. Thank you everyone for coming to joining me on live. फॉलो लाजमी करें गाइस और हमारे स्टूडियो को ज्वाइन करते रहें. Thank you everyone for coming to joining me on live. फॉलो लाजमी करें गाइस और हमारे स्टूडियो को ज्वाइन करते रहें. आने वाले तमाम मेंबर्स के वेलकम. तो आपके सामने लाइव स्क्रीन पर मौजूद है ETH USDT के बारे में, जिसको हम इथीरियम भी कहते हैं. इसकी अगर हम बात करें मौजूदा कीमत 2477 पॉइंट समथिंग USDT है. तो अगर हम बात करते हैं इसके चेन परसेंट की, -38 पॉइंट्स 36 पॉइंट समथिंग इंटू -1.52% है. 24 घंटे हाई कीमत की बात करें तो 2558.00 USDT है. 24 घंटे लो कीमत की बात करें तो 2464 पॉइंट समथिंग USDT है. Thank you so much everyone guys. I'm very thankful to you all of my friends who are watching to join me live. अगर हम बात करते हैं ETH USDT के 24 घंटे वॉल्यूम ETH के बारे में, तो आप देख सकते हैं 187 पॉइंट समथिंग के USDT है. 24 घंटे टर्नओवर USDT की बात करें तो 472.03 मिलियन USDT है. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ. सो ओके गाइस, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स फॉर वाचिंग टू चैनल लाइव। आज के हमारे वीडियो के साथ लाइव करने के लिए आप तमाम दोस्तों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मोस्ट वेलकम है। नेक्स्ट मजीद बनेंगे ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ। आप तमाम दोस्तों से तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, टेक केयर, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआओं में याद ज़रूर कीजिएगा। गुड बाय ऑल फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू, गुड बाय।